Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to talk about CPU, keyboard, mouse and speakers. So first of all, in my last video I told you inventor, monitor and fourth generation to first to fourth generation components of computer, who invented computer, what is computer and everything. Okay, so let's start with CPU. It stands for Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the primary component of a computer that processes instruction. The CPU contains at least one processor, which is the actual chip inside the CPU that performs calculation. CPU interprets instruction to the computer, performs the logical and arithmetic processing operation, and calls the input and the output operation. First CPU was made in 1940s and was run with the first computer, the EDWAC. So these are some CPUs. Okay. Now, CPU overview. The picture below is an example of what the bottom and the top of an AMD processor may look. The processor is placed between the secured into a compatible CPU socket found on the motherboard. We will study about motherboard later. Processor produce heat, so they are covered with a heat sink to keep them cool and running smoothly. These are some chips which is nowadays inside the laptops. In old times, we have our desktop and cable to attach the CPU. Some of you have it. No. So now components of CPUs. Uh, in the CPU, there are two primary components, ALU and CU. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit, performs the mathematical, logical, and decision operation. CU, Control Unit, directs all the processor operation. This is a machine cycle inside the CPU. Step 1, fetch the instruction from the memory, decodes instruction into command. Step 3, executes the command. Step 4, stores result in memory. Now, function of CPU. So first is um, to carry out the processing, to perform the arithmetic calculations such as addition and subtraction, to read the instruction and data from the memory, to communicate with the peripherals using system bus, to give the command to all parts of the computer system, to control the trimming of following information to flow, to control the storage of data or instruction. Now, what is keyboard? A keyboard is one of the primary input device used with a computer, similar to an electric typewriter. A keyboard is composed of buttons used to create letters, numbers, and symbols and perform additional functions. The following section provides more in-depth information and answer to some of the frequently asked questions about the keyboard. Now, who invented keyboard? Christopher Lantham Shows. February 14, 1819 to February 17, 1890 was an American inventor who invented QWERTY. So this was the Christopher, and it was the first keyboard. Here, here you can see the AZERTY keyboard. The letters are based on these letters, and today nowadays also we are using QWERTY only. Okay, this is the QWERTY keyboard, and here is a wireless keyboard. Quam who Kim made it, invented, and this is also having QWERTY. Okay, and this is a multimedia keyboard. It also having a QWERTY. Okay, so latest keyboard is QWERTY only, and this is a Henry Mill. He was his invention was to create this multimedia keyboard. Henry Mill in London, England in 1714. Now, mechanical and optical. Mechanical has a ball inside it that side to side roll, and optical has a light here. You can see, and a light here to identify it is optical. And the wireless has a chip. We should just have to plug through the computer, and it will start automatically working. Now, who invented first audio speaker? Werner von Sims, the first loudspeaker in 1876. This is some small information about what the audio speaker is. So the inside speaker has pole pies, magnet, top plate, basket, voice call, spiders, round, cone, the scam. Now it is attached like this. Okay, so this is all for today. Please like and subscribe for my more videos. So please like and subscribe. Bye.